मदीना की रियासत कैसी होगी? वज़ीर-ए-आज़म इमरान खान ने अपनी आइडियल रियासत के खदोहाल अमरीका में बैठकर एक दफा फिर वाज़े कर दिए।
कहते हैं रियासत मदीना में मुसलमानों और अक़लियतों के हुकूक बराबर होंगे। मुसलमानों के लिए एक ही मॉडल है और वो रसूल अकरम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की बनाई हुई रियासत मदीना है।
There is only one Islam, and the Islam we follow is the Islam of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And that Islam, according to the Prophet, all of us are born children of Adam, so we are all equal, regardless of our color of our skin. That Islam gave complete rights to minorities. In the state of Medina he created, a Jewish citizen wins a case against the Khalifa, the head of state. He loses the cases against a Jewish citizen, which means that they were equal citizens if they could stand and win against the head of state. That's the Islam we follow. In my vision of Islam, all human beings, regardless of their religion, are equal. For Muslims, there is only one model, and that is the Prophet created the state of Medina.